First thing you're going to want to do is you're actually going to need to get the app. This is the easiest way by far, or you can do it online just on the internet. Once you get the app, in the bottom right hand corner, you can actually sign up or sign into your account. This is the easiest way to check in and just schedule an appointment. Once you've actually created your account, we can go to the search option in the bottom middle of the screen where you can simply enter in your zip code or click on current location. In doing so, it'll allow you to actually see which places are near the place that you're currently at. And you can see the wait times just on this interactive map like so. This is the easiest way by far. And once you found a place you want to go to, in this case I'm going to click on 0 minutes. You can click on check-in, and clicking on check-in will basically put you on the wait list. So the second you show up, once your wait time is over, you can see it's 0 minutes here. It'll basically allow you to just be ready, just walk in and you're good to go. This is the easiest way by far. And on the home screen you can see the estimated wait time for the place that you've just checked in for. Or if you want to cancel it, you can simply click on the cancel option just on this page like so, on the current place that you've done, or you can click on it to call them to confirm it's actually 0 minutes. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy your haircut.